I want to take a moment and talk about budgeting. Because budgeting isn't exactly what you thought it was. Hi, I'm Johnnie with Johnnie, Lloyd and Associates. And what I want to talk about is budgeting. How to, when to, and why to. How to. Excel works. However, budgeting is just a matter of a spend plan, a plan that you make in advance of what you're about to accomplish, right? For the year, for the month, for the quarter. Typically, do a budget for a year, for 12 months. I know it's already March, so you just do it for 12 months out. And then what it does is it captures all the things that you thought you wanted to do or you desire to do. The why to. The reason that you want to budget, listen to me, want to budget is because you desire to build wealth. And with the plan is with just like GPS. You don't know where you're going if you don't put a destination in the GPS and allow yourself to input where you are located right now. So budget does two things. It starts where you are. It uses what you have to do what you can. So it allows you to build wealth. So we did the how to. We go into deeper depths because part of that can get a little tedious, but just make it easy. All your income minus your projected expenses and then go from there. Okay? That's the beginning. Then put it on paper, right? Put it somewhere where you can see it. And also allow your online banking systems to help you stay in line. So put some things on automatic payments, that kind of things. And then look at what you have left. If you don't have anything left after you budget, then you need to look for additional stream of income. Make sure you continue to follow me for opportunities for income, for passive and active streams of income. I am Johnnie, and this is especially created for you.